sisters. Alright, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make my glorious oats. Alright, let's continue. This is really scuffed because my phone died, so I'm about to use this one because I really gotta get this out. So, let's get started. First things first, get your oats. Shit, okay. Oats, okay, things you're gonna need. Come over here. Cinnamon, optional. Oats, you need that. Chia seeds, protein powder, and milk. Also, you're gonna need some peanut butter slash almond butter. And vanilla extract optional. Or you can use Oreos if you want. I put like usually maybe with sometimes one Oreo, but we don't have that, so we have to hurry this up. All right, let's continue. This is so scuffed. How the fuck am I gonna do this? Okay. I'm gonna grab your oats. Also, still, cause we gotta track, bitch. All right. So grab your oats. That's about a fourth cup, so that's about half, cause usually about half a cup. This could be in any order, by the way. I just put this in like this. Cinnamon. Put a lot of that hoe in there. Okay, pretend you're stroking your Johnson while doing that. Okay. Let's hurry this up. Then extract. Goaded. Don't put too much. You want it to overpower the flavors.
Bruh.
Boop. That much. Open your new bag of cheese seeds. Open that hoe up. That thing. We don't use derogatory terms here at the Miles channel. About 30. Holy crap! I'm just use 15 grams. 15 grams. I've done this a lot of times, so I kind of know the proportions. As I fucking know. Plus, who cares if you go overboard cheese? Cheeses are good for you, bruh. They do a ton of stuff that I just can't name. Protein powder. Needs about 1 scoop, but this is a lot, so. You guys see this? Okay, cool. Put a lot of that in there. He's about. I'm gonna put some of that back. What the heck? Half a scoop of protein powder. About that much. Dude, can you? Oh my gosh, my desk is so messy. Dude, I need scoop back. There we go. Okay. Protein powder done. Then, boys and girls, get your milk. Look at that. Protein milk. That shit bussin'. Open up your new protein milk cup. On the scale, of course, but I don't need it. YOLO. Do you know the word of the day is YOLO? It means you only live once. Oh, it actually really does mean that. Once you get your milk, you realize that there's not enough cinnamon in there. So, more cinnamon. I would add chocolate chips, but we do not care. Get your peanut butter. That good. Get a decent amount in there because you want that protein. This is also the knife This will also be the knife I use to stir. About 33 grams worth. That's how much average grams of peanut butter there is. Yes, I have been using peanut butter for that long. Oh my god, this looks so scuffed. Okay, got my oats here. My big monster doesn't look appetizing. Oh, move keyboard! Look at the final product. Shit, that's some oats. Almost as thick as me. Anyways, that's really quick. I had to get this out really quick. Don't wish I could do my phone, but I couldn't. So fuck you. Anyways, love you boys. Goodbye. And then at the end, your desk should look like this. Look at that. Protein powder everywhere. Oh my god. The cinnamon everywhere. Jesus Christ. Okay, this was a terrible idea. Alright, love you boys.